Okay, let's talk about precision measurement. First of all, let's talk about decimal places. 0.1 is 1/10 or 100 thou in a shop. 0.01 is 1/100th or 10 thou in a shop. That's how they talk in a shop. When you work in these type of digits all day long, you refer to them differently. 1 thou. Pretty much consider that 1. That's 10, 100, 1. 1/10, which is 1/10,000th of an inch. We would call a tenth. We would call this 10 millionths, even though it's 1/100,000th of an inch. One more place over would be millionths place. But there you go. That's your increment. Most of your increments and measurements, especially for hand tools that I'm going to be showing you. That's what you need to know is the terminology. When I say a tenth, I'm talking about a 1/10 of an inch. When I say a millionth or 50 millionths, it's 5/100,000ths of an inch is 50 millionths. 1 thou, 10 thou, 100 thou. All right. All right, let's talk about precision measurement instruments. Everything I cover in this video, I will make another video explaining more in depth of how to use it. This is just a simple scale, probably the least accurate form of measurement in the shop, measured and incremented in tenths and hundredths of an inch. Even with the loop, it's pretty inaccurate. Next up is calipers. This is a 0 to 6 inch stat from Etalon. 0 to 12 inch set. Micrometers. Again, I'll make another video of how to read micrometers. These are inch micrometers. I don't have metric. I will make a video on how to convert to metric. These are sterets. Indicators. Dial test indicator. This is a 1/10,000th of an inch incremented. This is a 2.5 10,000ths of an inch incremented. Old Federal. This is an old Starrett. 1,000th of an inch incremented. Lots of applications for indicators in different areas of the shop. One I'm going to show you now is a bore gauge. This would be the bore gauge. This is an old obsolete model from Interrapid, scissor type. Still works though, will work for our purpose. It's set with gauge blocks. This is called a bridge. Set with gauge blocks. Set your 0. I had it set, but it moved. That's okay. You just go in your hole and you check it and see if it's right or not. And there you go. It tells you how far off you are, whether you're big or small. Gauge blocks. You take these and you stack them up to get the size you need to check. This is an old Federal 10th indicator on an old base. But there's the basic gist of it. Set your blocks, set your 0, take your measurement. I'll cover more of that in another video. Well, I think that's it for this one. All right, check back for the next video.